Ebusema Kwaba and Fambra Attention TV, so my mom Kwaba Buma. Now make catch us say what do you Facebook app? It's also our YouTube as Attention Tvgh. What do you need so our YouTube by us? There's also Facebook as Attention Tvgh. Okwa mpacho, obe subscribe, no follow, no like, no comment. We have no notification bell so ete amame. And some for the kaya za ene ewie ene yena yenim say no yako MPP amemwoni mu a say wana wo rainy anyone our person wojina as we can say presidential seat one of person wojina edema MPP amemwoni wana person wojina say MPP leader na on the opposition party presidential seat no and as say one asem eda power so na ebe kai say enche ye bia na MPP for the one national delegation election eba iwiya who say when I want aspire for president, MPP amemwoni bi ekopiem ha ba ko eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong na odin sem bi atutu dwa o no so chiri mechem kame akoye say John Boydu de and Kennedy akabe in the past obesi from no before at the general secretary akonya no na sene achema Wontumi eka ye de na that's achema Wontumi oya say MPP ni esini na aso no na koye kofa ba edma MPP na abofra de obetupeni a empre yenya peninu so eye nsem bi sei ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong etoto edemane tema Wontumi na we ana obi anhye da enim se lawyer Maurice Ampaw eye spokesperson edema tema Wontumi dia ene onu so abetena on national television so eye Wontumi TV abetutu bi pa ede amane honorable Kennedy Agyapong yenko tie lawyer Maurice Ampaw embassy
original Fame support no. Say na be ya we chita fo nia so be hu say akoma pem no. Wo support nia keto no so wa achieve rally na ye ko no. Wo say Wontumi ka nipa na ye ba ko tubika sa no de ma ba ko a. Ni odi ka tubika John Boydu na tubika de atwa NDC na se du ketemu. Na odi baton no ekoma ni nia kodua mo sre no. Mo yare MPP for mo yare. Are you normal? Are you normal? The one who crowd rally no what to become the what defeat NDC 2016 2020 that young man now over hand over the baton for Justin Kodria to continue and give the baton to the next person to the time say you are rather anyone for social media jubilate BB Besi na didn't see it is the party that winning then Kennedy Agyapong you are not matured in politics no can take Kennedy Agyapong say me lo am say on matured and I look regular form look I'm being frank here Kennedy Agyapong is not even matured in politics for him to even think of becoming a president. And that means the kind of authority. Kennedy Agyapong is matured in politics because see, a matured politician, a person be a president. Now, a serious senior party executive, I call elections, no lose no. You don't grant the media interview. Then kind threatening no. Kennedy Agyapong, over threatening John Boydu, and I'll let you win and lose. Mwadie, your flower on fat. Party office Lucano, Monko, Montraho. Monsha Kennedy Agyapong, or catch John Boydu say, party de man no, party office no, na on Yejuma Woro Tum. Kennedy Agyapong, parliament now won't call you no. There is no parliament that way. What's one parliament? What's one parliament? To the sense that drag you private committee. It also absenteeism. How they accuse you, you were doing the same thing. What is more parliament now? Unkasada. Yanti will no some that. Urefisa one bra. Yako parliament na 137 138. Yeah, go to about the Speaker of Parliament. No, people were accusing you, say, "Wo, only Uyiri, former Yiri, and now baby mama, Mono two abano, Emma Don Babi, Chama Wontumi, and I'll be saving you. Rebecca said, "No, and you can read the poem." What I say, it is a war, and that John will lose you. Na media bo frewa kasane ntia kredi paul say ana jombo edu no we lose na ya de and you are disappointed in the regional chairman because they don't learn and why should they throw their weight behind jombo edu. They ought to resign. Jesus Christ. Can the phone? Who be able to be no catch party regional chairman of your own party to the media. Party regional chairman now. I'm winning regional election on merits. Party na kasa at as men of integrity, honor, principle. Experience 16 regional ministers who to be beer no say dia omonime gwase no omo resign a potential flag bearer. Where is the majority? Where is the maturity? Meanwhile, you can't beef me at all. Who to be beefing me? Because you are not serious politician. A serious politician will never open his mouth to the public, the media. You know the propaganda media for to my ear with your statements. Say regional chairman, according candidate I will support you. Me working in the poll. Oh, you'll be a war. 2008 and 2015, 2012 and 2015. You supported in team. Who throw weight behind in team for the chairmanship? What supporting candidates? What open support? You have done several times in the poll. You do it. Only people party no. Who to be one media? Woman will lose you. You dare to come down. You are daring people in the party by heart. Who there your choice is final. Who will lose you? Who will wear henya? Mutana can the poll. Throw henya. What? You see, he is the person who comes and decide for the party. Oh, you not see chairman want to be on cool down because oh yeah, too big. Who is more bigger than you? What is the point in the party? The way you throw yourself out. Who party to the sense that you can able to tell. Okay, media and say the interview say delegates no Antoine Mawo as presidential candidate. MPP should forget. Jesus Christ. What is more insulting? There's a wono ufi strong nearby. And you know, say delegates no. You see the delegates no. Makasa mwana Japan catch them say you don't have any choice. Only the choice. Would you be primaries? You share. I go there ACDO. What's up with the president too? You have found nomination you, but what started threatening the delegates? Say, MPP so win here and you work because any alliance material cabinet only your old face. It Ghanaians will reject them, and you have the guts to say this thing to a political party. Who only the regional chairman for your difference made who did require worse? The regional chairman just threw their weight behind a candidate, but who threaten the whole system? You are looking to the eyes of every member of the party. Now Kachom will say you are the choice. Without you, nobody. I say Jesus Christ. I'm the way, the truth, and the life. Nobody goes to the Father except me. Can the point? Who purchased MPP for only the way, the truth, and life to the power to breaking the 8? Nobody can break the 8 without you. What an arrogant! What?
Mameka will say a University Foundation and also masna. Me did you media ever so more our attention TV so. I will see the number any 054 8302985. Yaba Monisha Monity Eras.